Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best tool bucket is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any DIY enthusiast, professional tradesperson, or even a casual homeowner tackling weekend projects. Imagine a world where your tools are always organized, easily accessible, and protected from the elements, saving you precious time and frustration on every job, big or small. This isn't just about carrying your hammers and screwdrivers, it's about investing in efficiency and ensuring your valuable tools are kept in pristine condition, ready for action whenever inspiration strikes or a repair is needed. Number 5. Bucket Boss, the Bucketeer Tool Organizer. Meet the Bucketeer, your ultimate solution for tool organization. It's designed to keep your essential tools readily accessible and neatly stored. Crafted with a blend of durable materials, including poly, PVC, and PP, this organizer is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can handle tough job site conditions. Featuring 3 interior loops, it's perfect for holding hammers, drills, pry bars, and other long-handled tools. Keep everything you need in one convenient place. Designed for maximum compatibility, it fits most standard 5-gallon buckets. Simply place it inside and transform any bucket into a powerful tool caddy. Experience excellent quality and thoughtful design with this organizer. It's an imported product that brings superior functionality to your work. Stop wasting time searching for tools. This organizer provides an efficient way to manage your equipment, making your work smoother and more productive. What we like. If you need to keep your long-handled tools organized and readily accessible, this is the one. Its interior loops are specifically designed for items like hammers and pry bars. Choose this if you often work with such tools and want them neatly stored in a standard bucket. What people say. The bucket is made of heavy-duty canvas and has reinforced stitching, making it very durable. It features multiple external pockets and internal dividers, which are great for organizing tools. The wide opening allows for easy access to all your tools, even those at the bottom. Number 4. Ryker Heavy-Duty Motorcycle Tool Roll Bag Organizer. Introducing the Ryker Roll-Up Tool Bag, the perfect gift for dad. This heavy-duty organizer is designed for convenience and durability, making it ideal for any mechanic or electrician. Don't let its compact size fool you. This tool roll bag can hold more than you'd expect, easily accommodating a wide range of tools. Simply place your tools inside and roll it up. It features 4 large compartments and 2 detachable pouches with D-loops, a unique addition for this type of mechanic's tool bag. The roll-up design ensures easy storage and transport. Keep your tools and accessories neat and accessible. You can hang it in your garage or workshop, or carry it with you as a versatile mechanic's bag. Crafted from premium, heavy-duty materials, this tool bag is as strong as canvas. It's built to keep your tools safe, even in demanding work conditions. This tool wrap is a fantastic gift for any man. It's perfect as a motorcycle tool roll, emergency kit, or a reliable mechanic's bag for the road. Purchase with confidence. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, ensuring you never have to worry about the quality of your new tool bag. What we like. For those who value portability and compact storage, this roll-up option is ideal. The detachable pouches offer versatility for organizing smaller items. If you're a mechanic or electrician who needs to carry a curated set of tools efficiently, this is a great choice. What people say. The bucket is made of heavy-duty canvas, which makes it very durable and able to withstand rough use. It has multiple pockets and compartments, allowing for organized storage of various tools and accessories. The reinforced base provides extra stability, preventing the bucket from tipping over when loaded with tools. Number 3. Klein Tools 5144 BHB 14 OS Hardbody Aerial Bucket. Introducing the Hardbody Aerial Bucket from Klein Tools. It's designed for tough jobs, offering exceptional durability. This bucket features a total of 29 pockets, with 15 inside and 14 outside. Keep all your essential tools organized and easily accessible. Constructed from rugged denier polyester, it's built to resist wear and tear. The black molded polypropylene bottom provides a sturdy base. It includes convenient web handles for easy carrying. The bottom also has drain holes to prevent water buildup. Measuring 10 inches high and 14 inches long, its oval shape is ideal for aerial work. Get the job done efficiently with this reliable tool carrier. What we like. If you're looking for a durable and structured solution for carrying tools, especially in aerial work, this hard-body bucket is a strong contender. The drain holes are a unique feature for preventing water buildup. It's perfect for electricians and technicians who need a robust and organized container. What people say. This tool bucket is very durable and holds up well to daily use. The multiple compartments and pockets make it easy to organize and access tools. It's a great size for carrying essential tools without being too bulky. Number 2. Chemical Guys Creeper Rolling Bucket Dolly. Tired of dragging your wash bucket around? Meet the ultimate solution that transforms your bucket into a mobile detailing station. Effortlessly glide around your vehicle with its smooth, 360-degree rotating wheels. Built to last, this dolly is constructed from reinforced plastic, capable of handling the weight of a full bucket without bending or breaking. It's designed for reliable performance, whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast. No need to worry about compatibility. It securely holds most standard 3.5 to 7.5 gallon wash buckets, including your favorite Chemical Guys buckets. Get ready for a seamless detailing experience. Need to keep it in place. 2 of the caster wheels lock securely, preventing any unwanted movement. Enjoy enhanced stability during your car washing and detailing tasks. Keep your bucket mobile and within easy reach, reducing the need for lifting and carrying. This tool significantly improves efficiency, making your washes and detailing jobs smoother than ever. Join enthusiasts and detailers worldwide who trust this professional-grade tool. It enhances mobility, convenience, and ergonomics, making every car washing and detailing job easier and more efficient. What we like. For car enthusiasts and professional detailers, this rolling bucket dolly is a game-changer. It transforms any standard bucket into a mobile workstation, reducing strain and increasing efficiency. If you spend a lot of time washing and detailing vehicles and want to keep your supplies within easy reach, this is the product for you. What people say. The bucket is sturdy and holds its shape well, even when full. Multiple pockets and compartments make it easy to organize tools. The reinforced base adds extra durability and prevents wear and tear. Number 1. AWP 51 Pocket Bucket Tool Organizer. Introducing the ultimate tool organizer designed to bring your workshop directly to your work location. This durable bag is engineered to save you time and effort by keeping your tools neatly arranged and easily accessible. With 51 multi-sized pockets and loops, it offers extensive storage for a wide variety of tools. It's perfect for keeping everything from small hand tools to larger power tools organized. Constructed from rugged, water-resistant 600 denier polyester, this tool bag is built for long-term durability. Its clever fold-in design also allows for convenient bulk storage within your bucket. Featuring a magnetic strip for quick access to fasteners and small items, plus an integrated metal tape clip. You'll always have your essential tools right at your fingertips. Keep all your tools, equipment, and gear perfectly organized to get the job done faster. This innovative solution is designed for professionals like contractors, technicians, and electricians. What we like. If you need to carry a vast array of tools and accessories and keep them meticulously organized, this organizer is the answer. With 51 pockets, it offers unparalleled storage capacity for various tools, including screwdrivers and electrical accessories. Choose this if you're a contractor or handyman who requires maximum organization and quick access to a wide range of items. What people say. This tool bucket is incredibly durable and has held up perfectly even when filled with heavy tools. The design of this bucket is very practical, with multiple compartments that keep tools organized and easily accessible. I was impressed by the sturdy construction and the reinforced stitching, which clearly indicates a high-quality product built to last. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.